Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muzaffar Hussain, Subject Specialist in Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Dear students, I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson. Subject Social Studies Class 6, Chapter number 1, Chapter name Earth as a Planet. We will discuss the following topics in this lesson. First one is geography and the second one is universe and its components. Learning objectives. After watching this video lesson, the students will be able to define the geography, describe the universe, explain the concept of galaxy, identify the different types of galaxies, describe the stars and their characteristics, define planets and their characteristics. Now we will start our first topic, geography. What is geography? Geography is a combination of two Greek words, geo and graphy. The word geo means earth and the word graphy means description. In simple words, geography means the description of the earth. Simple definition of geography is that it is a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, features of land, inhabitants, and the phenomena of the earth and planets. The person who studies the earth is called a geographer. Now we will discuss branches of geography. There are two main branches of geography. First, human geography and the second, physical geography. Human geography is concerned with the study of people and their communities, cultures, economies, and interactions with the environment by studying their relations with and across space and place. Physical geography is concerned with the study of processes and patterns in the natural environment like the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and gasosphere. In particular, physical geographers study the natural environment while human geographers study human society and culture. Now we will discuss why is it important to study geography. Geography helps us to understand basic physical systems that affect everyday life. How water cycles and ocean currents work are all explained with geography. There are important systems to monitor and predict in order to help lessen the impact of disasters. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, universe and its components. Universe. The word universe is derived from the Latin word universus, which means all existing matter and space. But there are different definitions of universe, which are as simple definition of universe is that the universe is a collection of billions of galaxies comprised of matter. Second definition is it is all of space and time and their contents including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. The universe has been expanding ever since, while the spatial size of the entire universe is unknown. Third definition, the universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light, and even time. Before the birth of universe, time, space, and matter did not exist. Now we will discuss what is universe made of. The universe is thought to consist of three types of substance: normal matter, dark matter, and dark energy. Normal matter consists of atoms that make up stars, planets, human beings, and every other visible objects in the universe. Now the question arises in our mind that who has created the universe? The answer is very simple. Allah Almighty has created our universe. Now we will discuss our next topic, galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. A galaxy is held together by gravity. Types of galaxies. Almost all current systems of galaxy classification are outgrowths of the initial scheme proposed by the American astronomer Edwin Hubble in 1926. In Hubble's scheme, which is based on the optical appearance of the galaxy images on photographic plates, galaxies are divided into three general classes. First, elliptical galaxies, second, spiral galaxies, and third, irregular galaxies. Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is the subtype of spiral galaxies. It is a collection of billions of stars, gases, and cloud of dust. Our solar system is also the part of Milky Way galaxy. Now we will discuss about stars. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a bright spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity. The nearest star to the Earth is the Sun. Many other stars are visible to the naked eye at night, but due to their immense distance from Earth, they appear as fixed points of light in the sky. Now we will discuss the characteristics of stars. A star is a massive ball of plasma that emits light throughout the universe. While there is only one star in our solar system, there are billions upon billions of stars throughout our galaxy and exponentially more in the billions of galaxies in the universe. A star can be defined by 5 basic characteristics. First, brightness. Second, color. Third, surface temperature. Fourth, size. And fifth, mass. Now we will discuss the characteristics one by one. First, brightness. Two characteristics define brightness. Brightness and magnitude. Brightness is the amount of light that a star radiates. The size of the star and its surface temperature determine its brightness. Apparent magnitude of a star is its perceived brightness, factoring in size and distance, while absolute magnitude is its true brightness irrespective of its distance from Earth. Second, color. A star's color depends on its surface temperature. Cooler stars tend to be redder in color, while hotter stars have a bluer appearance. Stars in the mind range are white or yellow, such as our Sun. Stars can also blend colors, such as red, orange stars or blue-white stars. Third, surface temperature. Astronomers measure a star's temperature on the Kelvin scale. 0 degrees on the Kelvin scale is theoretically absolute and is equal to minus 273.1 degrees Celsius. The coolest, reddest stars are approximately 2500 K, while the hottest stars reach 50,000 K. Our Sun is about 5500 K. Number 4. Size. Astronomers measure the size of given star in terms of our own Sun's radius. Thus, a star that measures 1 solar radii would be the same size as our Sun. The star Rigel, which is much larger than our Sun, measures 78 solar radii. A star's size, along with its surface temperature, will determine its brightness. Number 5. Mass. A star's mass is also measured in terms of our own Sun, with 1 equal to the size of our Sun. For instance, Rigel, which is much larger than our Sun, has a mass of 3.5 solar masses. Two stars of a similar size may not necessarily have the same mass, as stars can vary greatly in density. Solar System. Solar System is the family of the Sun. Sun is one of the billions of stars of Milky Way galaxy. 8 planets revolve round the Sun in their respective orbits. This is called Solar System. Planets of Solar System. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Number 1 Mercury, number 2 Venus, number 3 Earth, number 4 Mars, number 5 Jupiter, number 6 Saturn, number 7 Uranus, number 8 Neptune. Jupiter is the largest or biggest planet of our solar system, while Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Now we will discuss about planets. The planet is celestial object that orbits a star. The planets which revolve round the Sun in their respective orbits get light and temperature from the Sun. Our Earth is one of these planets which revolve round the Sun in 365 days and 6 hours. These 6 hours after 4 years become 24 hours, due to which a day is added in the month of February. This is called leap year. Now we will discuss the characteristics of planets. It is said that a planet must do 3 things. First, it must orbit a star in our cosmic neighborhood, the Sun. It must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape. It must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any other objects of a similar size near its orbit around the Sun. Now we will recap the main points of our today's lesson. Geography is a field of science devoted to the study of lands, land features, inhabitants, and phenomena of the earth and planets. The universe is the collection of billions of galaxies comprised of matter. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. A galaxy is held together by gravity. Milky Way galaxy is a collection of billions of stars, gases, and clouds of dust. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a bright spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity. The planet is a celestial object that orbits a star. These 6 hours after 4 years become 24 hours, due to which a day is added in the month of February. This is called leap year. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Jupiter is the biggest or largest planet of the Earth, while the smallest planet is Mercury. Now it is time for assignment or homework. Read the pages of geography book 2, 3 and 4 carefully. Second, write answers of the given short questions on their notebooks. First, what is geography? Second, what is the universe? Third, define Milky Way galaxy. Fourth, what is a star? Fifth, what is planet? Sixth, define leap year. Seventh, what is solar system? Hopefully you have understood the lesson. If you have any problem, please feel free to ask any question relating to the topic. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.